Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much again for being here with me today and to support my channel. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and the bell so you get a notification whenever I post a video. Okay, on today's video, I'm going to talk about the way I convert this Dior card holder into a crossbody bag or into a shoulder bag. Okay, I do an unboxing for this Dior, I think about last month, and I ordered an insert from the MB shop so that I can transform this into a crossbody bag. Actually, my daughter wants something similar to my bag, so I just ordered this also so she can wear it. Okay, this is the insert from the MB shop. All I have to do is insert this in here like this, and you put the chain. This is my chain actually that matches the Dior hardware, the color. However, this is too big for the clasp. This is too big, so I've got an extender that looks like this. So I put the extender in, and the other one, just so I can hook my chain in here. Okay. This is the insert. All I need to do is put it inside the card holder. And voila! You've got the crossbody bag. Let me just show you. So this is how it looks on me. If you have a longer chain, then you can use it longer, but I ordered it shorter so that my daughter can actually wear this for her. So yeah, so this is how I convert my card holder into a crossbody bag. Of course, you can choose whatever card holder you have. Like you can choose the Chanel, and you can find your Chanel chain or whatever. As long as you have the insert, I think you can transform all card holder that looks like this. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.